Ready to transform your child's birthday into an epic adventure of gaming and learning? Check out our Code Ninjas birthday party, where fun and education collide in the most exciting way possible. Whether they're coding their first game or have experience, this is where curiosity meets creativity, and every moment is full of fun and laughter. Kids will start with an introduction to the platform before being guided through coding concepts and given time to create their games with help from our senseis before taking a break for the birthday celebration. Afterward, they will immerse themselves in the games made by their friends and themselves. Book today and let the adventure begin.